put too much hardener in my Bondo, so it's God damn it, fucking shit. I even said I wasn't gonna drink beer today. I'm drinking Powerade instead because this is so important. So I gotta. When I drink, when I work on cars, I tend to kind of rush things a little bit, but apparently abstaining's not helping either. I'm happy enough with the results. It's a little bit sloppy, but I'll just take care of that when I'm sanding it later. So. There's nothing like a refreshing Rainier. I'm totally open to sponsorship ideas. I mean, if Rainier, you want to sponsor me, I will paint my car white and red, I swear. Please. You know where to get a hold of me.